Here you have my setup for injectors cleaning using an ultrasonic cleaner and an impulse generator. All injectors are in the bath, but I power up only one injector at a time. I don't know if this rough and ready generator is capable to run all 4 injectors. The generator is regulated. It is built based on LM555 chip. I have found the diagram on the internet. I am not so smart to design such a thing myself yet. I'm using simple detergent in the bath, and since it is concentrated, I diluted it with some distilled water. Now I will test the injectors. A fuel pump is hooked up to this battery. The gasoline is pumped through this filter to the fuel rail, where each injector in a turn will be tested. First, if it is not leaking, and second, if it is atomizing the fuel. I don't need a trickle, I need a fog of gas. The fuel excess is dumped back to the canister through the pressure regulator. So I have here a closed circuit besides what the injector is spitting out. I have made quick connectors for the injectors to ease the process. Since I cannot shoot all 4 injectors at the same time, I cannot compare the volume of the fuel. I've made a mistake after testing. When I pulled out the first injector, I got a spill. The check valve on the fuel pump was holding quite a pressure in the lines. I should apply vacuum to the pressure regulator before that to release the fuel pressure. Clean injectors, ready to be painted. I put on new seals and caps. The injectors are ready to be installed. Plastic washers that came with the seal kit are too thick, so I reused the old ones. Here we go again for the final test. The battery powers up the pump. The pump is sucking petrol, aka gasoline, from the canister and through the filter to the fuel rail. The excess is pushed back through the fuel pressure regulator to the canister. the leak test. And the spraying pattern test. I learned my lesson, so this time I release the pressure. This time, not even a drop. There is no pressure, but the fuel is still present in those lines.